guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thank you for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the first week of this ad cycle and we have some deals going on, and we also received a 10 of 40 hair care CRT that you can use to make the hair care deals cheaper. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. Let's start this video with the 500 ml scope mouthwash. They are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 3 you get $5 back. And this includes the toothpaste or the toothbrush, so pick whichever one you like. But in this video I'm sharing the scope mouthwash. The 3 will total $11.97. We have a 5 of 3 digital coupon and that will drop it down to $6.97 and you get 5 back, making them $1.97 or 66 cents each. The next deal I have is on the 22-ounce Olay body wash. They are on sale for $6.95, no extra care box back. Pick up 3 for a total of $20.85. You use a 5 of 3 Olay digital coupon and you pay $15.85. There are 2 Ibotta offers attaching to this Olay body wash. One is $2 back limit of 3. That means you get back $6. And the second one is $3 back when you buy 2. You're getting back $9 from Ibotta, making them $6.85 or $2.28 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 on Nivea hand and body lotion, facial care, body wash or main shave products. And I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash, priced at $5.99. Both will total $11.98. Pay that and get 7 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Nivea women body wash, priced at $6.99 each. Both will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 7 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Iris Spring body wash or soft soap body wash, and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 1 Iris Spring priced at $7.49 and 1 soft soap priced at $6.59. With the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the cheaper price one will be the 40% off, and that will be the soft soap. The new price will be $3.95. These 2 will total $11.44. Use a $2 off for the Iris Spring and a $2 off digital coupon for the soft soap. That will take off $4 and you pay $7.44, get 4 back, making them $3.44 or $1.72 each. If you prefer soft soap body wash, they are priced at $6.59 and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 2, 1 will be full price and the second one will be $3.95. The 2 will total $10.54. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $8.54, get 4 back, making them $4.54 or $2.27 each. If you like Iris Spring, they are priced a little bit higher at $7.49, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $4.49. The 2 will total $11.98. Use a $2 off digital coupon and you pay $9.98, get 4 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on any Aveeno bath and shower, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 2 priced at $11.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $6.60. The 2 will total $18.59. Use a $3 Aveeno digital coupon, and I have a $3 off 12 Aveeno body wash CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off $6 and you pay $12.59, get 4 back, making them $8.59 or $4.30 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and they are priced at $7.79. Use the 3 of 2 Neutrogena digital coupon and you pay $12.58, get 5 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Gillette or Venus disposable razors, the 3 to 4 counts. Pick up 1 Venus razor on sale for $6.99 and 1 Gillette razor on sale for $6.99. The 2 will total $13.98. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette and a $3 digital coupon for the Venus. That will take off $6 and you pay $7.98, get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. We have a 10 of 40 hair care CRT that every account is supposed to receive. I will show you how to use it, but I'll first of all explain each deal by itself in case you want to mix or match. The first hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on Crest hair care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $7.99 each, and the two will total $15.98. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.98, get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. Next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Fruity shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.59 each. Both will total $11.18. Pay the $11.18 and you get 3 back. That will make them $8.18 or $4.09 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on any Clairol hair color. Pick up 2 Clairol textures and tones priced at $8.49 each, and both will total $16.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will expire on Sunday, and it will drop the price down to $10.98 and you get 4 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. Using the 10 of 40 hair care CRT, pick up 2 Clairol hair color priced at $8.49 each, 1 Tresemme shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $7.99 each, and 1 Garnier Fruity shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.59 each. These 6 items will total $44.14. Use the 5 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon, 6 off 2 Clairol digital coupon, and the 10 off 40 hair care CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will take off $21 and you pay $23.14. Get $5 back for the Tresemme, $4 back for the Clairol, and $3 back for the Garnier Fruities. That means you get back $12 in extra care box, making them $11.14 or $1.86 each. I have 2 more hair care deals that you can use if you don't like the ones I put together. And the first one will be on the whole blend. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back and they're on sale for $5.49. Pick up 2 for a total of $10.98. Pay the $10.98 and get 3 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next one is buy 2 get 5 back on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. Pick up 2 priced at $6.29 each. These were just $5.99. Everything is just going up in price. But picking up 2 will total $12.58. Pay $12.58 and you get 5 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. My next deal is spend 20 get 5 back on the children's Zyrtec, the 8 ounce or the 24 counts, and they're on sale for $19.99. That's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box back. Pick up 1 and use the $4 digital coupon and you will pay $15.99, get 5 back, making it $10.99. Pampers Swaddlers are on sale for $10.99 and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.98. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $18.98, get 5 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $2 back on Palmolive or Ajax dish liquid, and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 2 Ajax dish liquid priced at $4.19, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $2.51. The two will total $6.70. Check your app. We have a $2.50 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.20, get $2 back, and that will make them $2.20 or $1.10 each. This week we have a spend 25 get $8 back, and I'll keep this deal very simple. Pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $14.99 and 1 Gain detergent on sale for $9.99. The two will total $24.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 25. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you get your extra care box back. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a $2 coupon for the Gain. The 2 coupons will take off $5 and you pay $19.98, get 8 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. My next deal is spend 20 get $5 back, and the Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll Bar Tissue is part of this deal and they're on sale for $9.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $19.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. If you're doing this deal, make sure you follow the 98% rule. That way you get your extra care box back. Pay $19.98 and you get 5 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.